Hello world, Adele here and welcome to my channel. Hope you guys are staying safe, staying healthy, and staying home. So I'm back with another video from my bathroom, which means a hair tutorial. So I wanted to try out just a few hairstyles that I've seen on Pinterest or that I've seen on TikTok and kind of do something new. I've been wearing my hair just down or in a ponytail or in a bun. So I wanted to kind of zhuzh it up and try a different hairstyle. So I hope you like this video and let's see how these hairstyles turn out. So I've said this before in I think my wash and go video, but this guy right here is like the holy grail. I use it for my wash and goes and also for hairstyles, so I will be using this to kind of hold everything in place and hold it together. And then of course I have scrunchies, some bobby pins. Actually I have rubber bands in here, just small little rubber bands. I have bobby pins, my clips, a brush, a comb to part and section my hair, and this is just my trusty brush that I've had forever. I need to find another one like this. It's just super hard to find. If you guys have any recommendations, please let me know in the comments below, because I would love a kind of dry brush that I can use on my curls when I'm doing any updos or hairstyles. I kind of took a screenshot of this image, which I really love. Yara Shahidi is like one of my favorites, and I feel like her hairstyles are always amazing. So I'm gonna try out this hairstyle that I found on Pinterest. You guys will see it right here or right here. Okay, this looks a little bit complicated, but I see here she has it in two sections, kind of layered. So let's give this a go. So I'm also just going in and re-wetting my hair with this spray. So I'm just adding a little bit of this Cantu Comeback Curl Next Day Curl Revitalizer. I added water to this because there wasn't much product left, but it still works to kind of soften my hair up and make it more manageable for these hairstyles.
Do I care too carefully? What is wrong with me? Does somebody know what is wrong with me? Do my thoughts go away?
You guys don't understand how much hair I have. I literally have hair for like 3 people, and it's so thick. So these hairstyles are really difficult for me. Whew. I'm already tired. Now that I have my even front part, I'm gonna go in with some of that Eco Styler gel. Move this front part down. I'm gonna try one of the small rubber bands on this front part because it's such a small section, and I feel like the scrunchie will just look too kind of bulky up here in the front. So let me see if my hair can, or if the rubber band can withstand my hair and can hold that all together here. That didn't work. It is so tiring. My arms are like, it's a workout. It's definitely a workout just to get your hair up Okay, so half hour later, I have my 3 sections. Now we have to go in and create these kind of poofs that she has. And I think I'm gonna do that with bobby pins and kind of try to hold everything together, basically right at where the next section starts. So I believe it's something like this, and I just kind of put 2 bobby pins right here to secure it, and then the ends are out from what I see. This looks a little high right now, but we'll fix her.
What is wrong with me?
I'm just loosely pinning it so you don't see that line of demarcation there, because I think hers looks pretty loose and all the curls are coming out. Also, I think her hair is layered a bit more than mine is. I haven't gotten a haircut in quite some time, so it might be easier for her curls to just come out loosely. Okay, it kind of has like a mohawk look, a mohawk style going to it. So I think that's kind of okay. I think that works. Alright, and then I'm just gonna go back in with my gel and fix up these edges over here. Secret weapon. This is the final look for that hairstyle. I think it turned out okay. For me, it just seems too young and youthful, but Yara Shahidi is like 18 or something like that, so. But it's cute, it's a cute look.
What is wrong with me? Does anybody know? What is wrong with me? Should I try and take a lead? What is wrong with me? Does anybody know? 'Cause I don't know, I don't know.
Alright. So moving on to hairstyle number 2, that was just like a lot of rubber bands and scrunchies. I want to keep this one simple, and most of my hair is out for this hairstyle. I found this video on TikTok. And her curl pattern is really different. It's pretty soft, so let's see how this one turns out. I hope the bobby pins actually stay in. But so I'm going back in and re-wetting my hair to dry it out, and I need the water to manipulate the curls and brush everything down, make sure everything's nice and slick.
Come on now. We're here in the night. We're ready to get down. Right here in the night. We're here in the night. We're ready to get down. Get down. Hands up in the sky. You're having a good time. Good time. Hands up in the sky. We're having a good time. Good time. Count down.
So I put that first bobby pin in right against, almost right at my ear, just to secure that big piece of hair, and then I'm gonna go in and use the rest as, I guess, decorative pieces as she did. All Alright, so that first side is done. I kind of just tuck the rest of my hair down here. I hope that stays, but let's go on to side number 2. Again, I gotta wet this bad boy. A whole lot of gel to hold autumn flyaways and everything, autumn curls down. And what I'm actually gonna do, which she did, I don't think she did in her video, what I'm gonna do is also just take those 2 front pieces that I use and kind of just rubber band it or secure this at the bottom of my head, right at my neck. Back in the day when we used to do this hairstyle, like early 90s, when Selena and all of that used to slick our hair down, I used to do this and kind of just secure it at the bottom of my head so that the hair just basically didn't move, and then a shit ton of hairspray. But I'm just gonna secure this so that my curls don't come up too much. So I'm just gonna take this little guy here, just kind of creating like a little ponytail back here, just so this doesn't puff up too much and move. So this is hairstyle number 2. Of course, her curls are a lot softer and don't require as much water as mine do. Mine look a little bit dry, so I am kind of re-wetting everything. And then also gonna try to get my edges down a bit here. I want this to really curl up. There we go, hairstyle number 2. Bobby pin in here. So this next hairstyle is a Pinterest hairstyle that I found, and it's pretty simple. I've done something like this in the past and I really like this one, so I'm gonna try to recreate this image that you see here. Let's see how this one goes. So the good thing is that I already have my hair somewhat sectioned off from that last hairstyle, so I'm gonna use the same parts rather than starting all over and reparting my hair.
0 out of 3 no more. Thought that I'd be quicker, but I'm heading out that way for sure. Said that you'd be waiting, and now it's been too long, been too long. I wish that we could turn back time, back to all of those nights when I knew you were.
Okay, I'm starting that over because I realized I probably started too far back. And let me detangle my hair too with all this gel and hairspray. With the last few hairstyles, my hair is getting a little unmanageable, but we'll work through it. Okay, I'm not braiding it all the way through because this is gonna be basically up. but there's a braid, and the second side was a twist. My hair hates me right now because I'm manipulating it so much and putting so many products in it. It's starting really like breaking off. You guys don't understand how much this is hurting me. It hurts my head so much. And my sister always makes fun of me because I make so many faces when I'm doing my hair, even when I'm doing just a simple bun or ponytail, because it hurts so bad. Whew. It's like a workout. That is not even at all. I have to redo this. I think I got through that one. Wow, 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 wow. And then the other one was a flat twist. I think I have more hair on this side and then on this side. We're just going with it. Okay, and then I'm just gonna create just an updo. I'll remove the bobby pins right now. I just did like a messy bun so that you can see the curls on my end. Okay, hairstyle number 3. It didn't come out as crisp as I wanted because I was struggling with the braids a bit, but not bad. Kind of like a messy updo, very Grecian goddess type of thing.
I miss when we were teenage girls and now tomboy t-shirts. When life was good and the worn out sneakers. When we were fine about the complications. Those were the days in the tomboy t-shirts. I never said I was ready, but ready for what comes ahead. You said that you were with me. I wonder how we did forget. Some days were forever and
Alright guys, that is it for this video. I hope you like the hairstyles that I tried out today. Maybe you guys can give them a try as well. I always see things like this on Pinterest and on TikTok, and I just wanted to see how they look on me. Some of them are not for me and probably take a little bit longer than I'm willing to spend on hair, but I think they look alright. Let me know in the comments below what you guys think, if there's any hairstyle that you would like to try. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.